Hello everyone. In this video we will understand how to create a new MVC project. File, new project. Choose this one. I'm just giving name for the application. Sample MVC. Project. So you can give any name. Click OK. So I'm just selecting the template for MVC and I'm just changing the authentication to no authentication. We will talk about this authentication later videos, and click OK. Now project getting created. Wait for some time. Now project got created. Wait for 1 second. Okay, this is our folder structure. So first thing what I'm going to do it, I'm just going to create a controller, employee controller, and we will fetch the data from the database. For that purpose, I just have one table created, employee, and it has a column like ID, first name, last name, and email. So I'm just creating this table I just created. Okay, refresh it. Right now we have only one table. Okay, so come to our MVC application. So first what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a model. So model is nothing but our data access layer. So just right click on the model, select for add, go for new item. So this video I'm going to use ADO.NET entity framework. So ADO.NET entity data model. Just select this one and give the name for this model. It can be anything. So I'm just giving employee model right now. And right now I'm choosing for the designer from the database approach because I already created database and it has a table. So that's why I'm selecting for this approach. In the entity framework way, they will say so this is a database first approach. Okay, click next. And just I want to give the connection string for that, so I'm just clicking on the new connection. And what is the server I'm looking? If you press dot, it's nothing but you're doing connecting to the local server. That's why I given as a dot. And what is our database name? So I'm just giving employee DB. And what kind of mode I'm using? Windows authentication mode. And if you want SQL Server authentication, you can give it. And what is the username password? You can give it. So right now I'm using Windows authentication and click test connection succeed. So I'm just check the test connection. Its connection is succeed. Okay, click OK. In the web config, it will save the name as a connection sticks, employee DB entities. That's what it's saying. If you want, you can change it. Right now I'm not changing anything. Just give next. And this is a dialog showing what kind of version you want to use. I'm telling the entity framework 6. Click next. So expand this and select this employee. So right now I have only one tables only. I don't have views and store position. If you have, you can select it. So further session we will think about this one. We will talk about very detailed. Right now we will think about table and employee. And what is a model for that? Employee DB model. Click finish. Okay, wait for some time. So you can see here down adding entity framework 6.1 to the project. Okay, if you get this kind of things, just click OK. Okay, so now we got the employee model. So it has an employee and it has the property for ID, first name, last name, email. Just go to Solution Explorer and go to your model. Under that you can see that this designer.txt is nothing but this is a page. So this auto generated, so no need to change anything yet. And if you look for the employee model.context.tt, so this is all auto generated, so you cannot change this one as well. So first, what are things you mainly needs to know it? One is a model.edmx, so nothing but this is that one. After that, employee model.context.cs. So this is your main what you are going to work in that. So it will create a one class, nothing but your employee DB entities. We given that when we are selecting, I told it I given us like that, right? So it's created, which was derived from the DB context. Okay, so and I'm saying that whenever this particular class get executed, just pull this one from the connection string. So this is our connection string which was mentioned in our web config. We'll go to web config, find it with a name, so you can